Home security matters more than ever, and choosing reliable surveillance can protect your property, family, and peace of mind. Today, we're going over the best wireless outdoor security camera from our top picks: smart features, easy setup, and dependable performance in any weather conditions. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Blink 1080p Wireless Security Camera. The Blink 1080p Wireless Security Camera stands out as a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential features. Designed for simplicity, it offers a clean setup process that takes only minutes, making it ideal for beginners or anyone wanting quick home surveillance. The 1080p HD video quality delivers clear daytime footage, while infrared night vision ensures visibility even in total darkness. One of its biggest advantages is the impressive 2-year battery life powered by AA lithium batteries, reducing the hassle of frequent replacements. Through the mobile app, users can access live view, communicate via two-way audio, and receive instant motion alerts thanks to enhanced dual-zone detection. Although local storage is not included with the base module, cloud storage options provide flexibility for saving footage. Alexa compatibility adds convenient voice control for smart homes. Overall, this camera is a solid choice for those seeking reliable, long-lasting performance without spending too much. Number 2. Aosu Solar Wireless Security Camera. The Aosu Solar Wireless Security Camera is an excellent choice for users who want a completely wire-free and subscription-free security system. Its built-in solar panel ensures continuous operation with just a few hours of sunlight daily, eliminating the need for manual charging. What makes this camera particularly appealing is its local storage system, which offers up to 4 months of encrypted video recording without any hidden fees. The 360-degree pan and tilt functionality, combined with auto motion tracking, provides full coverage, making blind spots virtually non-existent. The system also allows users to monitor multiple camera feeds simultaneously, which is perfect for larger properties. Installation is quick and straightforward, requiring minimal tools and time. The smart tracking and cross-camera event linking enhance usability, allowing easy review of incidents. With strong performance, smart features, and zero subscription costs, this camera is ideal for anyone seeking long-term value and convenience. Number 3. Arlo Pro Wireless Security Camera. The Arlo Pro Wireless Security Camera is a premium solution designed for users who prioritize advanced features and superior video quality. With 2K HDR resolution, it captures sharp, detailed footage that makes identifying faces, objects, and movements much easier. Its wide 160-degree field of view ensures extensive coverage, reducing the need for multiple cameras. Smart detection capabilities help minimize false alerts by recognizing specific activities, such as people, vehicles, or even pets. One standout feature is the emergency response option, allowing users to quickly contact local services directly through the app. The camera also includes a 1-month trial of its secure plan, offering extended video history and intelligent notifications. Battery performance is reliable, with rechargeable and swappable options that ensure continuous operation. While it leans toward the higher price range and requires a subscription for full functionality, it delivers a powerful and highly customizable home security experience. Number 4. GMK IP65 Wireless Security Camera System. The GMK IP65 Wireless Security Camera System is a versatile and feature-rich option, especially for those looking for multi-camera coverage. This 4-pack system delivers 2K Ultra HD video, providing crisp visuals both day and night, with full-color night vision adding an extra layer of clarity in low-light conditions. Its wire-free design and rechargeable batteries make installation flexible, allowing placement in various locations without dealing with cables. The camera's AI-powered PIR motion detection ensures accurate alerts, reducing unnecessary notifications, while keeping users informed in real time. Two-way audio and a built-in siren offer active security, enabling users to interact or deter intruders instantly. With both local and cloud storage options, users have control over how their footage is stored. The durable IP65 weatherproof build ensures reliable performance in harsh outdoor conditions. Overall, this system offers a balanced combination of performance, flexibility, and security features for complete home monitoring. Number 5. Ring Vision Wireless Security Camera. The Ring Vision Wireless Security Camera delivers a polished and reliable security experience backed by strong hardware and intelligent software integration. Its 2K video resolution provides clear and detailed footage, while the wide field of view allows users to monitor larger areas with ease. The low light sight feature enhances nighttime visibility, producing full-color images even in dim conditions with minimal lighting. Installation is flexible, as the camera can be placed on flat surfaces or mounted on walls or ceilings depending on the user's needs. Through the app, users can access live video, communicate using two-way audio, and receive real-time notifications. Integration with Alexa-enabled devices adds convenience, enabling voice control and quick access to camera feeds. The system performs reliably across different environments, making it suitable for both home and small business use. Overall, it offers a strong blend of performance, usability, and smart home compatibility. That wraps up the top 5 best wireless outdoor security camera. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.